Hi guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye. Let's get into the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, on today's video we'll be looking on this little bird called a squit, or otherwise grass squit, I think they call them. So it's a really small bird, and we were parked somewhere the other day and we just hear him he's knocking on the glass. So I said, wow, that's so cool. You know, I got excited same time. There he is. My husband's gonna try and pull the window, you know, which I got scared him. But there he is. Isn't he beautiful? Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. Goodbye. Adios.